This house is now for sale. Watch until the end para makita niyo po kung magkano siya at kung gaano siya kalaki. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. At buenos dias, senyor, senyorita all over the world. Like, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comments, and share. And nandito po tayo ngayon sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Forbes, situated dito sa Barangay Bacau 2, General Trias, Cavite. At ang ating i-feature today is itong ready for occupancy natin. It's a fully furnished house. Ang kulang na lang dito guys is tubig at saka ilaw. Alright? So once again, my name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village in Anayana, and I've been working in Antel for over 9 years. And this is my passion, magbenta ng property para po hindi masayang yung inyo pong mga pinaghirapang pera. Kasi later on, pwede nyo siyang ibenta, pwede nyo siyang gamitin, malaya kayong gamitin, and you have the rights over this property. And ang property value nito is nag-a-appreciate siya every 3 months. So dito po sa Antel Grand Village, every 3 months po nagtataas ng price ang atin pong mga property. Alright? So good afternoon po. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video po is, the intention po nito is to aware all the buyers ng Anyana, ng Antel Grand Village, and to those na gusto pong bumili pa ng property dito sa Antel Grand Village, and of course to those na nakapunta na dito sa Antel Grand Village na hindi pa nakapag-purchase ng property. Well, this video is for you dahil isang click mo lang nito, makikita mo na po yung pinaka bahay na ganito guys. Alright, so videohan lang po natin yung ating Georgina model house. Alright, so this Spanish Mediterranean house is composed of 284 lot area, and with a floor area of 180.81 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, a garden, a very nice facade, and of course it's a fully furnished. Actually guys, so ang property line mo is until here pa siya. So maganda yung bahay kapag mayroong maraming puno, no? Para ka rin na sa abroad. So ang lot nito is 284 square meters, is from here dito sa POS hanggang doon sa pinaka POS area guys. Ayan siya. So nakaganito siya yung property, and then pwede kayong maglagay ng fence, basta po visible lang po tayo sa ating mga roofing guards. So malaki yung bahay, no? So meron kang balcony na dalawa sa likod at saka sa harapan. And dito sa gilid, andito yung pinaka service area mo po. Sa likod ng bahay, meron ka pang 2 meters na setback. Alright, samahan nyo po ako na pasukin natin sa loob. So bago tayo sa loob, meron ka ditong car garage, and ang pinaka property mo is mula dito sa pinaka PS na yan, or monument sa property survey. So hanggang dito siya guys. So ito yung buong bahay. So binibenta na yung bahay na to, including all the appliances and the furnitures. So malaki pa sa likod, no? Imagine na you have this 3 meters or 4, almost 3.5 meters setback. And ito yung pinakalikod ng bahay, no? Ayan, ang laki, ang ganda. And sa likod po, meron siyang lanai area. Alright, no? Samahan niyo po ako sa loob, pasukin natin. Oh, bakit maraming gustong bumili ng bahay? No? Kasi ang bahay kasi is kailangan na rin, lalo na kung mag-aasawa kayo. So dapat po bago tayo mag-asawa is nakahanda po yung ating bukid. Ibig sabihin, kasi biblical tayo, yung mag-aasawa po, yung nagbabalak mag-asawa dyan, dapat Meron po kayong sariling bukid, okay ang inyong hanap buhay, meron kayong resources para hindi kayo mag-aaway. Kasi kung gutom kayo pareho, naku, mag-aaway kayo kahit nagmamahalan kayo. Pero kung busog kayo at pinaghandaan nyo yung pag-aasawa at bumibili kayo ng mga property, hindi kayo mag-aaway kasi ready kayo. So ito pong video na to is nire-ready lang din po kayo kung ano po yung magiging itsura ng ating mga bahay po. Alright, so ang ganda, no? So upon entering your house, so you will welcome this very nice living area and an office dito po sa isang side na yan. So ang ganda guys ng ating interior kasi it's more on white and with a touch of black, and you have this office dito sa ibaba. Alright, no? Picturean ko lang po, no, kung gaano siya kaganda. So the house is very nice at very modern. Ang ganda guys, no, sa paningin, ang ganda talaga. So this house po is for sale, including all the furnitures. Alright, now let's check the kitchen area. So this is the dining area and this is your kitchen area. Wow, it has a built-in cabinet and the countertop is granite. You have the cabinet po dito po sa ilalim. And then look at your tiles. It's in mud. It's a 60 by 60 floor tiles. So ito pong ating fridge is including this sa benta. So it has a built-in cabinets na rin dito sa itaas po. No? Pero bago po natin ito turn over sa inyo, so this house po is i-refurbish pa natin. So whatever defect, aayusin mo po siya bago po natin ito turn over. Now, we are selling this house for 20+ million guys. So it can be bank, deferred, or cash term. Okay, check natin sa taas po. Alright, so this is the dining area. And this is your toilet and bath dito po sa baba. Okay, this is a powder room. Pero ang maganda po is the tiles, no, is a floor to ceiling tiles. Maganda po talaga siya kapag binuo nyo siyang tiles, at least malinis po siyang tingnan, no? Ang atin po ditong architect, si kaibigan ko po si Joshua Ryan San Juan. Okay po. So the lot area of 284 with a floor area of 180 square meters. So this is the Georgina model. And check nyo po yung ating stairs. Ngayon guys, so bibilangin natin po ito. At yung ating mga handrails guys is very nice, no? At saka matibay po. Okay? Yung steps natin is very nice. So look at this. Okay. So okay. So this one is oro, plata, mata. 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 It's a silver. Nice. Alright guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa second floor. So this is the interior po ng second floor. Ang ganda, oh, look at this. So meron kayo ditong family area. This one. So meron siyang console table and look at your stairway. And look at the chandelier, mga lightings, no, na nilagay. It's para kayong nasa Spiral Hotel. Ganda. Okay. So dito po sa itaas, meron kang 3 bedrooms. Doon sa ibaba po, meron ka lang isang office and then toilet, the living area and the dining area. Pero pag dito po sa itaas, you have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Okay, let's check the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. So 2 bed po ang kasya. Ayan siya guys. At napakataas ng ating kisame. It's ang ganda rin, no? So it has aircon din dito, split type. And tingnan niyo po yung design guys. So maganda dito mag-play kayo ng magla-live kayo ng TikTok or ng inyo pong online, no? Okay, meron siyang split type. And then, take natin yung ating mga pinto. Dito kasi model house. This one is a tempered. So, it's a glass. Then, nilagay lang po nila ng parang tint, no? Para medyo shadow siya ng konti. Para hindi nakikita sa loob. Then, let's check the another room. So, this is the another room. Ang maganda po sa bahay na to guys, this is a well-detailed house. Madami siyang mga baseboard. At saka mga corners sa taas, magaganda po ang kanyang mga design, no? This is the second room. So, meron din siyang split type aircon and naka-cove lightings din siya. Ganda din po, no? And this one is a double bed. Tsaka malinis yung bahay kasi this is a model house, no? Mini-maintain po ito everyday. And dito po sa likod, meron kang common balcony. This one, guys. So, this is a common balcony po for the 2 room. And facing po kayo dito sa ating pong pinaka main road, no? Busy street. Napaka busy street na talaga niya ngayon, guys, kasi itong kalsada na to is open siya sa public. So, para sa lahat po ng buyers ng Anyana, Antaltansa, yung atin pong Sunset Boulevard and the Bel Air Drive ay magiging ganito din po siya, no? Magko-connect siya papuntang Open Canal, then going to the 13. Okay, so ang balcony natin maganda po, pati yung atin pong fence ang ganda rin. Then let's check the master's bedroom. So binibenta na po ang bahay nito, guys. So kung naghahanap po kayo ng ready homes para hindi kayo mag-antay kung kailan po gagawin yung bahay, so well, this house is perfect for you. So, para hindi na kayo mag-antay ng matagal kung kailan gagawin yung bahay po. So, this is the master's bedroom. Ang maganda dito, it has a walk-in closet and sariling toilet. And of course, meron kang private balcony, which is facing naman siya. Actually, guys, meron po akong bagong natutunan, no? This house po, kasi we have the orientation facing the east, facing the west, facing the north, and facing the south. And this house is facing southeast, or this house is facing Tagaytay. Kasi po, yung client ko kahapon na isa, yung funsoy sa kanya, kailangan daw ang bahay niya is facing Manila Bay. Manila Bay? Grabe. Kaya anyway, so this house is facing Tagaytay or facing southeast. And let's check naman po yung toilet and bath and the walk-in closet nito. Wow. It's nice, it's a big, no? It's a large, it's a spacious toilet area. Wow, look at the design. Ang ganda, no? It's Mediterranean talaga siya, ang ganda. At ang lawak po ng ating space na to, no? So, ang maganda dito po is separate po yung ating shower area. And makikita nyo, mayroon siyang parang spacing, no? Tapos, dito sa area na ito, guys, actually, kung i-close nyo ito, para kung pwede nyo siyang i-convert into sauna, pwede rin naman. And, ito yung ating toilet. Wow, para ka rin nasa hotel. And, of course, this is your lavatory. Maganda rin po yung ating mga fixtures, kasi this one is a model unit. And, check natin yung pinaka wardrobe area, guys. Ang lawak. Ang luwag, ano? At meron pa siya doon sa itaas. Okay. This one, try to open. Open natin. So, meron ka pa rin dito mga shelvings. So, kompleto na siya, no? At least, yung space na to, nagagamit. Actually po, kung ito sa Grand Forbes at gusto niyo pong magpagawa ng bahay, so, pwede po itong Georgina model. So, message lang po kayo, then bibigyan ko po kayo ng quotation. Okay. So, ang maganda po dito kay Grand Forbes, so this house po is, this village po, Grand Forbes is our high-end. No? This is the most high-end po na cluster dito sa Antel Grand Village. Then, the rest po, ito yung Grand Oak Ridge, Grand Catalina, yan po. Okay? Alright, so interested with this unit po, so message lang po kayo and then bigyan ko kayo ng actual computation. So it's either deferred cash or bank financing. So once again, to recap, no, itong bahay na ito, this house is a model unit with interior. So it has a lot area of 284 square meters, corner lot, and then near the guardhouse, with a floor area of 180.31. So it has 3 bedroom, 1 office, and 3 toilet and bath, and a car garage. So the house is not far wall. So the house is a single detached house. So ibig sabihin, yung pinakabahay ninyo is nasa gitna ng inyong lote. So pwede din dito maglagay ng fence for your privacy. And pwede rin po kayong magpa-extend, no, ng bahay. So once po na i-turn over na po namin sa inyo yung unit. Okay. Sa payment term, no? Kapag bank financing naman po, 20% lang po ang down payment nito. Then once we receive the letter of guarantee from the bank, then give us 30 days para po i-turn over namin yung bahay po sa inyo. Kapag po deferred payment, so since the house is ready for occupancy, 50% of the price of the house yung ibayad nyo po dito sa amin. Then once we receive the 50%, then schedule namin kayo ng house turnover. Pero the 50% should be in post-dated checks. So 30 months to pay. And of course, kung cash term, so kung cash po, may discount po 10% sa lot, 5% sa house. So we'll get 5 plus 10. So 15% discount po. Okay, so anyway, kung gusto niyo po yung medyo mas mababa ang price, so we have 5.7 hanggang 29 million houses. Okay, so once again, my name is Rey Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village in Anyana. At kung pupunta kayo dito sa Antel Grand Village, hanapin nyo lang po ako guys, no, or Amin Neptune Rey Miliada Group. Thank you so much and see you in my next video.